Hello students, welcome to English class. Today we learn what is the difference between formal letters and informal letters. Formal or official letters are written for business or professional purposes with the names of the officers in mind. Some words of respect are used with special care. Informal letters are written to friends and relatives. The purpose of writing a letter is not to complain or inquire. The approach is straightforward. Informal words are used. Informal letters can be considered a freestyle swimming where you are free to style and write as you wish. There is no set format and there is no need to use formal style. Follow the below given instructions to write a formal letter. Write in a proper format and take care of the presentation of a letter. Greet and address to the concerned person like dear, sir or madam, respected sir or respected madam. Always mention the subject of writing the letter. Write the reason for writing the letter in the first paragraph itself. Be concise in your letter. Do not stretch the letter too much. Always use very polite tone or words. Write the address and date correctly. Mention the name and designation of the recipient correctly. The closing of the letter must be with gratitude. Use thank you or regards for consideration of the letter and then at last mention yours sincerely or truly along with your name and sign. Note: for board exams, you students are not allowed to write your real name or address or school name. For this, you can use city ABC or name XYZ.